Okay, I'm going to take a toilet up this morning. It's been leaking around the wax ring. We've had a lot of rain, so this is the closest spot to the septic tank, so it blew the wax ring. So I'm going to replace it. And I'm going to try this new ring out here. It's wax free. And it says it seals better than the wax does. So I'm going to give it a try. Alright, so first thing I did, I turned the water off and flushed it to get the water out of the tank. Okay, and I got a couple of towels here to catch any water, because you got to make sure you shut the water off. And then you want to take and unhook the water supply right here. Take that nut off. It goes to the toilet, the tank part of it. And that just has to be loosened a little, and then you can do the rest by hand. And I put the towel down here because you're going to lose a little bit of water using it. Not much. Okay, so then you want to take the two toilet bolts off. There's a nut right there you want to take off of that bolt. And a nut right there you want to take off of that bolt. Alright, so I have an adjustable wrench I'm using. A small adjustable wrench should work, or I believe they're 7/16. Okay, so there's that. So now you just have to lift the toilet straight up. And I usually either lift it up into the tub or have a bucket handy. So I'm going to lift it straight up, and then I'm going to hold it over the bucket and tilt it a little bit and run the water out of it. Getting the water out, and that'll allow you to tilt it back and clean the old wax off the bottom. So I'm going to set it down here and play for now. Dry the floor up here. Okay, we're going to take up the older wax ring. And throw it in the garbage. We'll clean this up and wipe it down good. I tilted the tank back and cleaned the bottom of it. This ready. I don't have to use the new bolts because the old ones are good. So I'm set them aside. this is thick, so it's gonna, and it's got holes here to actually help hold the bolts up straight. Alright, there we go. We're looking pretty straight. Always look it over good, make sure it looks straight. Start putting it back together. Put the washer back on, put the nut back on. And you put weight on it. We tighten it down and just snug each bolt up, each nut up a little at a time. You don't want to over tighten the nuts here and crack your toilet. You just want to snug it up good and tight. Tighten each one a little at a time. And I'm keeping weight on the toilet. And I'm just kind of seeing if it has any play. Trying to move it a little. Put my weight on it. If you have any play in it, you can always use a couple shims underneath it also. And then if you have tile floors, you want to grout to the floor. Grout the toilet to the floor, or if you don't, you want to use caulking. Use a good adhesive caulking and caulk around the bottom of the toilet. Seal it to the floor good. And then most of the time you have these little caps that go on and cover the bolt and the nut. Then you want to hook your water line back up. Get it snug by hand and then just barely tighten it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to caulk this to the floor. I'm using a really good, this is a really good caulking. It's an adhesive also. So I'll cut the tip of it. And I got me a couple wet paper towels. I just wet them with water. Just run me a nice little bead around it. And then on this, I'm wetting my finger just a little with the rag. And just kind of smoothing the bead out. Okay, I got everything all caulked. Passing, caulk, all the way around, all hooked up. Alright, so we're going to turn the water back on. It's been a couple hours now, let the caulking dry pretty good. It's been a little over a couple hours. Just make sure we've got no leaks here. Get the lid back on. Alright, everything's good, no leaks, everything's working.